Yeah, g'day guys. I just want to do a quick unboxing and review of my Ryobi belt and disc sander. Here we go. Righto, comes with the disc, and the warranty and instruction book. Okay, phone. What we got here? Okay. Got this little item here. Looks like we've got another guard here. Couple of bolts with an Allen key. Somewhat of a guard. I would assume that gets peeled off and goes straight into there like so. Let's get into it. So the weight, it's not light, but it's not too heavy. Comes with the belt sander already fitted and supplied. And we just grab the disc, we unpeel it like so, and we try and place it perfectly. So we carefully put this guard in here like so. There you go. Now that'll probably fall down. We've got our screws with our delicate washers on there. These are very strange looking washers indeed. No, don't want to do it too tight. Very firm. Next up, we'll put this support. It goes into the slotted hole like so. Now we've got 0 there, which is obviously set that at 90 degrees. With that rest, put the washer in there like so, and simply tighten her up. It allows you to go various different angles, 45 degrees, but I'm assuming that needs to be put up on the stand like so. So this is sitting on a flat table, and it'll only allow me to go to almost 30 degrees. So obviously we build that up on blocks, which will allow me to go to 45. At the moment, no. We'll set it up to 90 degrees. I'll probably have to run a square through there to actually check that it's 90. I'm guessing it's not by sight. It looks like there's an attachment for all the sawdust to the scope. I'm not sure. Now we've got this other gauge here. It fits right into there like so. Basically allows you to rest your block of wood in there while that's spinning around. Now it gives you the option of setting up all these lovely angles, all the way from 60 degrees 45, and so on, back down to square 0. Tighten him up. That doesn't actually get fixed. That remains free. So I guess you've got to hold that like so as you're feeding your timber in, using that as your edge. There's a bit of play there. I wouldn't rely on that to square off your block of wood. So we'll just turn the sander right around, like so. On the back of the unit, you've got your guard, which fits into these slotted holes with the supplied bolts. I'll just finger tighten them. Now you can raise it up and down according to how you want it, how you're comfortable with. Comes with the fitted Allen key, as I mentioned. Now that to me looks a bit low, so we'll go all the way up. Alright. Not too tight. Perfect. Okay, we'll just swing him around and we'll fire him up. Comes with a very generous cord, say 1.5 metres in length. A reliable ear muffs on. Let's see how we go. So as you can tell, she's not very loud. It's not too noisy. Yeah. So once again, we've got a 150mm disc that belongs, which are readily available at any hardware store. Belt, which is your standard 100mm by I think 940. Yeah, well there you go, 100 by 914mm, which are readily available at any hardware store. I've got some offcuts that I'd like to give a bit of a run. Very happy with that. Very smooth. Makes light work of it. Very light work of it. Okay, something that I failed to mention was that this can go upright at 90 degrees simply by undoing this bolt slightly, pulling this lever out like so, and putting it into place. And I'll just tighten that. it's firm. So now you have the option of sanding like so, using this guard here as a bit of a rest. Let's have a little bit of a play, shall we? So as you can see, it firmly sits on that little rubber stop there like so. It's very robust, not going anywhere. In finalising, it's a little ripper. You know, you've got your powerful 370 watt induction motor. You've got your 150mm sanding wheel, your 100mm by 914 I believe, sanding belt. You've got your adjustable tool rest with miter gauge that goes all the way to 60 degrees there. It can go to 45 degree on the miter by undoing that, but you need to have this raised on blocks. That is on 30 degrees. You're adjustable for vertical or horizontal. Vertical and horizontal, which I've just showed you. Very good. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, share and subscribe.